QS stock analysis and QS stock prediction. So in this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be doing is showing you my exact play. I'm the only guy in this space that done over 42,000 videos over 5 years, and I've documented all, right? Everything is documented, and at least I've seen what's printing me money and what's not. Needless to say, with QS, this thing obviously it's going up. We're not dumb to not see that. 35% increase in price is sick, and this kind of went counter all my previous ideas, which obviously were bearish. And not only did these deliver, this is sick, you know, of course, have all the proof. I was even waiting for a double break here to take it further lower. Let's see if we got the shift. Sure things we did, but then the next day we pumped up like crazy, and this whole idea is going to be recorded as a -1R, which is a loss, right? It's part of the game. And since we pumped, I'm definitely entertaining that idea and I'm open-minded, but just randomly buying at the top, it's not going to be happening, at least not here. The only thing that I care about is the price pulling down a bit and giving me a double break. Other than that, it's all pure noise. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.